In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a post on YouTube. Now, all you need to do is simply open up YouTube Studio, and then in the top right corner, you'll have upload videos, you'll have go live, and then you'll have create post. So go ahead and select it. Then from here, it will bring you to the page where you can go ahead and create your post. Now you can customize your post. So for example, you can choose to set it as a text post, image poll, image, video, quiz, all sorts of things. And just go ahead and just customize it to your liking, whatever it is that you want to do. Then as you're creating your post, you need to remember to give it an image, or sorry, a title, sorry. And once you've successfully given it a title, you're just going to go ahead and select post, or you can tap on this drop down button and select schedule post so that it comes out at a specific time. And once you've successfully scheduled or you've posted your post, you can just go ahead and put it out there, and it will now be ready for anybody to see. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.